Artificial intelligence might sound complicated, but what makes large language models special is how ordinary their magic really is. This isn't just for tech people or programmers. Regular folks are already using AI in daily life, without even realizing how powerful it's become. Grandma sits at her kitchen table and asks ChatGPT to help her write a birthday poem for her grandkids. It gives her rhymes, warmth, and ideas, and she still adds her own heart. A side hustler running an Etsy shop uses it to draft messages to customers, fix product descriptions, and come up with fun taglines that actually sell. A small business owner pulls it up to brainstorm Instagram captions, turn reviews into testimonials, and find better ways to explain what they do. A student stuck on a research article asks for a plain English summary so they can finally understand what it's saying. These aren't robots taking jobs. They're tools helping people save time, find clarity, and create with more confidence. Think of it like having a helpful friend who's really good with words and always has time to lend a hand. You don't need to know how it works, you just ask, and it helps. The more you use it, the more you start to see small sparks of possibility in your everyday routine. And that's where the real magic lives. Key takeaway: large language models are everyday helpers, ready for anyone curious enough to try. You don't have to be technical to benefit from AI. You just have to start the conversation. Join others like you figuring it out.